This is Similar Shapes Part 2. Similar triangles created by parallel lines. So here we have a diagram which contains two triangles. We have a smaller triangle inside a bigger triangle. Now we've also got parallel lines indicated by the arrows. So what that means is that we have the same angles at the top corners, because it's like an F shape that way. And then it's also the same at the bottom right corners, because it's the F shape going up the way. And both triangles share this bottom left corner. Now what we often will want to do is actually then draw out the two triangles separately before we analyse them. There's ABE, the smaller triangle, and ACD, bigger triangle. An example, calculate the length of P. So here we've got the same thing going on. The smaller triangle inside the bigger triangle, again indicated by arrows, and we've got our coloured dots to show the angles that are identical. So we split them into two separate triangles, and we have 8 and 12 on the small triangle, and we've got 10 and P on the big triangle. So looking at the corresponding sides, well, 8 corresponds with 10, 12 corresponds with P. So we have an enlargement. Enlargement is big over small, which is 10 over 8. And that's 1.25, or 1 1/4 times the size. So 12 times 1 1/4 is 15. That's the length of P. Example 2. Again, we've got a smaller triangle inside a bigger triangle. Drawing out the two separate triangles this time. 16 and 24 in the big triangle. We've got Q and 18 on the smaller triangle. So we've got the reduction this time. So the reduction is small over big. Corresponding sides is 18 and 24. So putting that in, we get the reduction scale factor of 3/4. So that means that Q must be 3/4 of 16, which is 12. One more example. Got this one here, ABE, and AB is 6, B to E is 4, A to E is 8. And the bigger triangle, got the 6 plus the 3, which is 9. On the bottom we've got 8 and this other bit y, so 8 plus y. And on the right hand edge I've got x. So we need to look for corresponding sides. Well, 4 corresponds with x and 8 corresponds with 8 plus y. The two that we have the number for is the top left side, 9 corresponding with 6. So we have an enlargement of 9 over 6, which is 1.5. Working out x first of all, x is 1.5 times bigger than 4, which is 6. Bottom edge is 1.5 times bigger than 8, which is 12. Now that means that 8 plus y is worth 12, so the y must be 4.